we have this scroll that we can grab and move and wind and unwind, but we find that there are some issues. If I go too far, or if I go the opposite direction, or if I just move in different ways, this does not behave the way I would want. So I'm going to add a constraint to control its location. So with my spiral selected, that's controlling the motion of everything, I'm going to my constraints, and I'm going to add a constraint that is limit location. And I'm going to limit the location for everything. Now we'll see that when I checked Y here, it moved it. So I'm going to put in a negative value, and that seems just about right. And then on the maximum value for Y, I'll put in a positive value, maybe 2. And I'm going to grab and unwind this. And it stops right there. I see something happening in my transform. My number's up here. So let me Control Z, and I'm going to check the box that says Affect Transform. And now if I grab that spiral and move it, those numbers appear to be locked in. For the purposes that I'm thinking, I think I want the scroll to unwind a little bit less because I'm just going to have symbols on the scroll rather than a bunch of text. So rather than the 2, maybe I'll do a 1.75 or something like that. And let's grab this again. I'm not sure. I can always come back and adjust that if I want. Maybe I'll even go a little bit less yet. 1.25. I mean, if I don't like it, I can change it later. But constraint is added, and this is a much more controlled situation now.